This is the first video in assignment number 7. And in assignment number 7, we're going to make another step forward in completing our little bank building here. In the previous videos, of course, we built the structure, and in the last video, we put in curtain walls around the building, a glass curtain wall here in the lobby area, and then a steel stud with brick veneer curtain wall around the rest of the building. Now we're going to start adding windows, and you can see I've already added a few windows here. And what I've decided in the design is that we're going to go with a gridded window here that's 32 inches by 32 inches. And of course now that doesn't match our curtain wall at all, though it's proportional, probably close to it. But what I want to do is convert this and show you another way of creating a curtain wall in this video. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to add a couple of doors and windows, show you how to add doors and windows, different types of doors and windows. And then over here on the back side, we're going to see that there's only this one door. We're going to add some exit doors here, and then doors into the restrooms. You'll also notice if you go to level 1 that I've now populated the interior with interior partition walls so that we could know where the windows really needed to go and what rooms or spaces they would be going into. Of course, we need to work those two things together, right? So you can see there's a conference room here with a big glass window on one side, and then there's this what's called a community room. There's no door right now from the exterior. That's one of the requirements, is that this have an exterior door. And so for evening use when the bank is closed for different communities. So what we're going to do is change that and put a door right here that will have access into that. And then there's some a break room and a group of office space. This particular office space here is just a series of desktop cubicles that the bankers use based on the way that they run their bank. And then electrical and mechanical closet, and then you'll see a men's and women's restroom, and then a janitor closet right here. I'm going to click on that, and we'll go ahead and change the name of that to janitor, just so you can see how that's done. And then we have the lobby space here with the mezzanine up above it. And then on the first floor, there's this room called a Texas room. And in Frost Banks, they have this kind of, it's like a big living room for them. They have a coffee is available here. They have some places where you can sit down and work. They appeal to a lot of people who don't want to go back to their office or don't even have an office space, but they want to, have a place to check their emails, and if they're in the outside sales, or just a comfortable place for the bankers to sit down and have a chat with their people. And then, of course, we've got the egress stairs here and here. So that's the basic layout now of the bank, and of course the vault. And so next what we're going to do is put windows and doors. I'm going to change this curtain wall. So that's the next video is going to be changing this curtain wall.